Hi, I'm Scott Absher, CEO and co-founder of ShiftPixy. Back in 2015, we saw an opportunity in the marketplace to fix something that was plaguing restaurant operators. They couldn't find and keep people. So we came up with a way to help them find and keep people and fix this idea of the human capital side of their business. But while we were doing that, there was another problem emerging on the restaurant front, and it was third-party delivery. And we started asking the question, why would a brand that has spent billions of dollars over decades and generations to curate their brand and their customer experience, why would they suddenly surrender that brand, that customer experience, and now their customer data? It didn't make sense. But we saw an opportunity to do something very unique. And what we decided to do is take everything that we've learned in trying to help restaurant operators and put it into a single box. We're calling it ShiftPixy Labs. We wanted to create an incubator, a way to take ideas, even old ideas, and make them new. Best of all, you get a ringside seat. You get to watch us step from an idea to a brand to a cuisine, all the way through the customer experience when it ends up on your door. And you get to see everything. You're gonna love the ride. This is ShiftPixy Labs.